Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet another flower. So I am using a milk cotton yarn, and it will be purchased in my TikTok shop. I will put the link on the description below. First we're going to make 70 chains. So after making 70 chains, we're going to make a half double crochet. So we are going to make half double crochet into all of the chains. So after this, we're going to make 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, and turn and make a double crochet into the second hole. Then next 2 chains, double crochet into the second hole, 2 chains again, and double crochet into the second hole. So we will just repeat the process until we reach the end. So we are done with this round, so make sure that we have 34 spaces. Next is we're going to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn and make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 2, and 3. Another 3 double crochet into the next space. 3. Another double crochet into the next space. So we are going to fill the spaces, 10 spaces with 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after this, we're going to make a 1 single crochet, and then we are going to change color. Then make a single crochet into the next space, and then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make treble crochet. So we are going to make 2 treble crochet, and then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and then single crochet, and then another single crochet into the next space, and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make another 2 treble crochet. 1, 2, and then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the single crochet, and then single crochet into the next space and make 4 chains, make 2 treble crochet, another treble crochet, and then 4 chains and make a single crochet. So we'll just repeat the process 10 times. So after this, we are going to change color. So we have made 10 petals. So make a single crochet into the next space and then make 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make double treble crochet. So we are going to make 3 double treble crochet. Make 5 chains and make a single crochet. So make another single crochet into the next space, make 5 chains and make 3 double treble crochet. And 5 single crochet and make a single crochet into the same space. So we'll just repeat the process until we reach the last space. We are done. Now we are going to roll this to complete our flower. So you can use a glue stick to glue them together. So I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye everyone.